Uptown Swing, level 1.
This is Peter. This is Val.
It's 8 count. This is our second week, and you guys were rocking it. We really got some things a little better. We talked about this feeling back here, and how we really got to keep it. Followers really stayed back there and kept that feeling the whole time, and leaders left their hands there. And we kind of let the hand kind of go from maybe here to slide here in the middle of stuff.
Followers, same way. Don't get stuck to the shoulder here. You can let your hand slide too to maintain this connection. Keep your elbows down.
So on a promenade, we have that slide. That was a new thing we did. On the reverse promenade, we have that same thing. We mixed up promenades and yo-yos. And followers could just try to keep going, and leaders might change their mind. That was the idea. I did a great job with that. We threw some pecs in there. Hey. And we threw the circle back in. And we also threw a rock, step, bam, and a shake, shake, shake. You all rocked it. It looked really good. We'll see you next week.